What's up, guys? So,
Hey, subscribe.
subscribe and look at this. Who is this? So you can go, guys. And then
When it stays with me, I know that you don't gotta wait for me. I'm taking it down. What's my name again? Pull up and check my block. It's good to check the box. I get checked a lot. Hey, why you check my spot? You got your shit on me.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, subscribe because you're already here. So as you can see with the title, I am moving. Yeah, I'm moving. So I want to do a vlog. I already started moving stuff into my room at the new house. So I'm currently in my old room. That's why it's like a mess in the background. Don't mind it. I've been taking stuff over there. I already have my bed up over there, my new bed, and my vanity. And that's pretty much it. Like, I still have all my clothes I need to take over there, my TV, my new dresser I got. Pretty much everything. Look, just look, like, it's a mess. So yeah, I know I look a mess, but I've been moving stuff all day, so you know, this is what you're gonna get. I'm hoping by tomorrow, Saturday, that's when the movers are coming. So they're gonna be moving like the bulk of our furniture to the new house. So hopefully by then, I'm guessing my room's gonna be done. And then after my room's done, I'm gonna do like a little room tour. If not Sunday, but it's Friday today. So hopefully tomorrow it's done. I know I haven't been posting videos, but that's because we've been in this process for a while. So after this video and I get settled in a new house, you'll be seeing like videos regularly again. It's just been, it's hard to film while you're moving. And also while we're moving today, I like broke my whole real nail and my fake nail, and it looks disgusting under this, and I'm so mad. So I'm dealing with that right now. But right now I'm about to go get another load over to take to the new house, and when I get over there, I guess I'll show you guys around a little bit, and then, you know, before you see the final thing. But yeah, that's what I look like today. Gross. Okay, so I'm back. Well, I'm at the new house. I was here earlier. It's nighttime now. I was here earlier, but I forgot to record. It's just been a busy day, but I'm gonna show you guys what my room look like now. There's stuff everywhere. I'm about to make up my bed right now because I'm actually staying here tonight. But I'll give you guys like the full tour whenever it's done, which is probably gonna be tomorrow, hopefully. But like I said, I'm about to do my bed right now. I'm the only one here right now, so yeah. I need to take a shower, but I'm waiting till my boyfriend gets here because I'm scared to take a shower when I'm the only one here. So I'm gonna wait for him to get here. Just making my bed and stuff while I wait. But yeah, that's pretty much it right now. I'm gonna pass out because I did the most today, like the most. So I'm probably just gonna pass out after I take a shower and record some more for you guys tomorrow. That's pretty much it for tonight. When I get my room fully done, we'll go on a little room tour too. That was just a sneak peek, but like I said, I'm about to make up my bed, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Focus. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm trying to get some more light in here. But it's the next day. Still look a mess. I'm still moving stuff today. I have like pimples. Oh my god, just, it is what it is. But I want to show you guys the downstairs. Empty, but this is what it looks like. This is like the dining room, living room. This is, I can't find the light. The kitchen. But yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys the whole house because We haven't had anything in it yet. The movers are about to come. This lighting's terrible. It's like super early in the morning. But the movers are about to come. And I'm gonna start getting it together. I'm excited. The last day, hopefully moving everything. Hopefully. Okay, y'all, so this is the room. It's very small, way smaller than my old room, if you guys remember. I love my little bed. I love that. But it's boring really, but that's my bed. You know, the wig, ring light, that's a closet over there, but I'm not gonna open it because I need to straighten it up. That little bin I just got from Target, just because I'm waiting to get a nightstand and I don't know when I'm gonna get one, so I just got that for now. Then I'm over here. That dresser me and my boyfriend put together from IKEA, and it's like crooked as hell and it's not very well put together. Probably should have someone professionally do that, but we did it. But that's that. I want to get me in it because I look a mess right now. This is my vanity. It's like a mess right now. I don't know why I didn't clean it off for you guys, but I have little drawers under it with makeup and hair stuff. But I am probably gonna be doing a like vanity tour real soon. I know I did one before, like of my makeup collection, but I want to update it. I did throw a lot of the stuff away, like a lot of makeup away when we moved, but I still have a lot, so I might be doing that very soon. And my mirror for my vanity, if you watched that video, I did make this, and I explained in that video how I made this, so go watch that video if you haven't. I'll link it down below. But I will be making a new video soon, so I'll tell you guys how I did that in that video as well. Just some shoes behind the door because I have no place to put them. And I'm gonna show you guys this other room. So this is just like, I guess gonna be a dressing room. I have like some shoes and clothes, purses. Those are my sister's shoes. But yeah, this is gonna be like a little dressing room. I'm not gonna show you guys downstairs because it's not gonna be put together anytime soon. Okay, so lighting's probably terrible, but a little update. Last time I showed you guys this room, I had a different rack and I had to go to Walmart and get like a more expensive one. The one I bought was like $25. This one was $50, but it like fell down. The other one fell down in the middle of the night. So I got a new one that's like all like metal, and I'm just putting that together right now. And I have a bin from Fashion Nova that I need to haul, and I'm gonna be doing that soon, hopefully. So stay tuned for that. Sorry, I was not even in the camera, but yeah, just want to show you guys that that's my new rack. Hey guys, so that's the end of this vlog. I know I've been looking busted the whole fucking vlog, so I did my eyebrows and lashes. I didn't do my whole face because I didn't feel like it, but you know, I had to get cute because I've been looking busted since like fucking Thursday. I've been looking busted because I've been moving shit all weekend. It's Sunday now, and you know, my room's done. I'm about to go run some errands because I haven't had time to do anything for moving. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you like videos like this, let me know, and I'm gonna be doing more. I think I'm gonna do like a maybe a Valentine's Day vlog because I'm off on Valentine's Day, so I might be doing a vlog for that. But yeah, my new room, so get ready to be seeing videos in here. Okay, but that's it. Like I said, have yourselves a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
So I closed the door and then look, the Ultra 20 bottle flip. Oh man! Ultra 20 bottle flip. Camera. You see that? You see that?
Hold on.